Everyone, my name is Putri Rauza. I am student of Poltekkes Kemenkes Aceh from olimpiade2022 Melabu.
Wow!
Now I show you guys the new normal school life during COVID-19 in our school. Let's see.
A few moments later.
Guys, we have entered the new normal stage and we must comply with health protocol. Guys, and this my friend. And what are you doing now?
I want to wash my hands. I'm in line to wash my hands.
And is step of washing the hand.
A few inches later.
Now, this is condition before class meeting. Hi Salwa.
Hi, we are practicing social distancing like this.
You ask, where is the other friend? They are
To exercise for ceremony.
in class. We usually go to canteen, and now we go to canteen. You want to go to canteen with my friend? And let's go. And now I show you, this is halte our campus, but this is chair. Halte chair, okay? This is condition our canteen in campus. And this is our Bunda. Hi Bunda, how are you now? What are we eating in the canteen? Usually, we go to musola to pray. Okay. Let's go. We want to pray. And I love you. Ding, ding, ding. Why is she like that? It's no problem. And I love you. Ding, ding, ding. Why is she like that? It's no problem. So hot.
Baca.
Okay guys, maybe until here my vlog. If there is mistake, I say sorry. Bye.
The message of this video is we must maintain cleanliness and comply with health protocols so as not to have an impact on our life or others. Even in a pandemic like this, we must remain enthusiastic and never give up studying for a bright future.